Hey guys, Mark and Twan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Ardyss business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets, rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm going to save a special bonus at the very end, so stay tuned for those instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the #1 lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you a simple 3-step strategy that I use to become a top recruiter in one company and to hit the leaderboards for sales in a completely different company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified leads in the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again, so you never have to cold message people. And this way, you can get targeted, qualified leads to you of people who actually buy. You can ultimately start having the lifestyle and freedom that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How would it feel to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to go to the keyword that you want to use and that you want to rank for on Google and YouTube. The internet runs on search and you want to get as much traffic to what you have to offer as possible. This is done by looking at what others who have already accomplished what you want to accomplish, looking at what they've done, and creating updated content going after similar keywords. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to make this happen. I'm going to leave a link in the description with that TubeBuddy tool. You're going to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and just copy the tags to a Word document. That tag is going to have all the keywords that you're going to use in your title, and you're going to create a coherent, keyword-rich title. Then you're going to create a 300-word description, and again, put these keywords throughout that description. Place your link at the top of this description. You're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save the thumbnail as your primary keyword. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy verbatim word for word what somebody said, but you can create similar content, updated information, going after similar keywords. You want to keep your content 3 to 5 minutes long and use Open Broadcast System for screen share. Save the video as your keyword optimized title. Guys, if you do this, you'll get a lot of traffic to what you have to offer from YouTube traffic and Google traffic. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You're essentially looking for like-minded network marketers. Find out exactly where they're hanging out, and I'm going to talk about some key places where you can do that. Once you do that, you want to reach out to that person. You might start off with a enticing first sentence by saying, "Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I noticed the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page and I checked out your profile. We definitely have a lot in common when it comes to mindset and work ethic, so I thought we should connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work?" So in that way, you're reaching out to a person, you're showing that you took interest in what they're doing and what they're all about, and you're reaching out to them in a genuine way. You want to do this about 5 to 10 times per day and go into those certain groups that will help you to get the right kind of audience. Here's how you engage with people on your timeline. You want to put picture quotes, and you could do fill in the blanks. I love my blanks. So once you start to interact with more and more people, you want to engage with them on your timeline. I'm going to get more into that in future slides. You want to make 5 to 10 connections per day. Some good groups are the Robert Kiyosaki group and the Tony Robbins group. And you want to make sure that your mindset is around making connections and not closing prospects. That's the key there. People will get to know you by your comments and how social you are in these groups, and you don't want to be a person trying to pitch people all day. You want to make your post 90% personal and 10% about your business. When it's about your business, that's sharing the results of your teammates, sharing your own results, that kind of thing. And the 90% personal, you want those to be lifestyle pictures, pictures of you at the beach, hanging out with family, friends, eating food, random polls, funny questions, those kind of things. Those are the things you want to be posting about 90%. And here's a good example of a curiosity post that could lead to somebody asking about your business. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. What a sentence like this might do is have somebody reach out to you and say, "Hey, what's that green powder all about?" And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people even sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. I hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.